A sleek name, a risky structure. cflowapp.net presents itself as an online trading or investment platform, positioning its service as an accessible way to participate in financial or crypto markets. The branding suggests automation, speed, and simplified investing. Like many modern platforms, it attempts to create the impression of technological sophistication. However, in financial markets, appearance is irrelevant without regulatory supervision and legal accountability. The project operates under the domain cflowapp.net and appears to function as a broker or investment intermediary. It may promote trading in cryptocurrencies, forex, or CFD-style instruments. Regulation is not clearly confirmed through independently verifiable official databases. While the website may include general references to security or compliance, credibility requires confirmation in recognized financial authority registers. Searches conducted in official databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at cisec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with cflowapp.net. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In the brokerage industry, operating without confirmed supervision is a serious red flag. A licensed broker must comply with strict financial and operational requirements. These typically include segregation of client funds, minimum capital reserves, transparent reporting, and participation in investor protection schemes in certain jurisdictions. An unlicensed broker is not bound by these obligations. If a dispute arises, there may be no independent authority to enforce withdrawals or investigate misconduct. This significantly increases the risk of financial loss and withdrawal issues. The platform's trading model may involve CFD trading or crypto speculation. CFDs are complex, high-risk financial instruments. They allow traders to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset and are usually offered with leverage. Leverage amplifies both potential profits and potential losses. In regulated markets, leverage is restricted to protect retail investors. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, the risk profile becomes extreme. In many CFD setups, the broker acts as the counterparty to the client's trades, creating a structural conflict of interest that remains unchecked without regulatory oversight. Legal transparency is another crucial factor. A legitimate broker clearly discloses its legal entity name, company registration number, physical address, and governing jurisdiction. It provides a detailed client agreement and risk disclosure documents. If cflowapp.net does not offer independently verifiable corporate information that can be matched with official registries, investors are effectively dealing with an unidentified operator. That is not a secure environment for capital allocation. Technical aspects also matter. Many high-risk investment platforms operate using recently registered domains, privacy-protected ownership details, and standardized website templates. While privacy services are not inherently unlawful, financial companies entrusted with client funds are expected to operate with maximum transparency. A limited domain footprint combined with the absence of confirmed licensing significantly increases the overall risk level. Several warning signs commonly associated with an investment scam may be present: absence of confirmed regulatory license, absence of a recognized supervising authority, limited corporate transparency, no verified investor protection mechanisms, high-risk leveraged instruments such as CFDs, and possible withdrawal issues in the event of disputes. When these elements are combined, the platform's credibility becomes highly questionable. To avoid similar scams, investors should follow practical guidelines. Always verify a broker's license directly through official regulatory registers such as the FCA, CISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA. Do not rely on certificates, logos, or regulatory claims displayed on a website unless independently confirmed. Understand that CFD trading and cryptocurrency speculation are inherently volatile and high risk, especially when leverage is involved. Be cautious of platforms that promise guaranteed returns or apply pressure to deposit funds quickly. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not use aggressive sales tactics. Finally, treat vague legal disclosures, unclear ownership structures, and generic design templates as warning signals. In conclusion, cflowapp.net cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with high-risk trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust and investor protection. Without it, the risk of fraud and capital loss rises dramatically. Technology can impress, regulation protects.